Hey, it's Nicholas and welcome to another update vlog. So today I haven't got that much to say other than I'm not feeling that good, and yeah, there won't be so much up for this. There haven't been so much up for this week, and yeah, I just haven't felt like it and haven't had time for it. But there will come a lot next week, I hope. So it's great. But yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna turn the radio off. Look. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to do right now, and today I'm home alone. And why are you on? I'm home alone, and yeah, I am recording a bit right now actually, but not right now, but I've been recording a bit today, and I'm gonna record a little bit more, but yeah, I just haven't felt like it. But yeah, me and Matthias, we've made some FTBs, and FTB lights multiplayer thingies, but they aren't up yet, but they will soon come up. And we're doing it like I get part 1, he gets part 2, then I get part 3, and he gets part 4, and we keep on going like that. And that's the same way we do a Minecraft series. Like I get 1 and he gets 2, and I get 3 and he gets 4. And so yeah, that's actually just it. But I think I'm gonna keep recording a bit. Cause yeah, I want to make this vlog right now. So yeah, this is my living room. That's the table where we just sit sometimes and play games and eat candy, a radio, a TV, a sofa, and a sofa table or something. This is a garden. It isn't that pretty right now. There's a Christmas tree over there. Over here there's like a thing for compost, I think it is. Kitchen garden is down there. Some plants over on the side. A little table with some chairs, 2 grills. A thing where we have our pillows to the chairs in. And yeah, so that was a dining, no, not dining, our living room. So this is the bathroom over here. Like nothing special. Toilet, shower, mirror, and a sink. And then the kitchen. It's a radio that I just turned off. A refrigerator, I think it's called a fridge. Stove and micro oven. Something I can't remember what's called in English. A lot of things over there. Dining table. Bird Hippie. Say hello, Hippie. Come on. Yeah, he's a little bit shy right now, I think. Look at him. Isn't he beautiful? Isn't he beautiful? Yes, you are beautiful, Hippie. Yes, you are. A clock. This is like entrance thingy Maduhiki. I'm not sure what it is. Something where we keep all our stuff that we don't use, like bikes and all that. That's a car, and yeah, all that stuff. Then we're going to the office where me and Matthias, we sit and record all the time. So yeah, it's great. I like this house a lot, but it's kind of small, I think. But yeah, this is where me and Matthias sit and record. I sit there, he sits where the printer is. That's the window. That's where we like put my dad's computer when we aren't using it. And yeah, my dad's room. This is where he sleeps. This is my room where I sleep, of course. Cola. My computer. It's a nice computer. Yeah, just in my YouTube channel right now. I don't know why. I'm just looking how's it going and all that. My bed with a lot of clothes on it. A cupboard. That's my sister's watch, not mine. But this is mine. Money. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my sister's room. She's got her own bathroom, but it isn't that big a deal. It's just this little room here. So if I get the lights on, just this little room here and a sink over there. But that's actually it. So then my sister's room. It's in here. A bed. Oh yeah, she was over at her friend and sleep. Yeah, that's actually my house. So yeah, it's my house, and I like it a lot. But yeah, that's actually what I wanted to tell you and show you guys and all that. But so like and favorite if you've enjoyed it. What the fuck am I talking about? This is a vlog. Just watch it, okay? Thank you. Yeah, fuck me, man. Fuck me. See ya.